Jai Shri Ram. The behavior, demeanor, conduct of the truly magnanimous, noble Arya. Now, Arya is not a race. Arya means one who is really cultured, civilized, and noble, a person of noble character, magnanimous character. That means he is one who is willing to forgive even his worst enemy. But of course, in Kali Yuga, you need to be very careful about that. So, here is a Subhashita which tells you about one great trait of the truly noble people. Manasi vachasi kaye punya piyusha purnaha tribhuvanam upakara shrenibihi prinayantaha paraguna paramanuna parvatikrutyam nityam nijahrudi vikasantaha santi santaha kiyantaha bharatrihari. He says in first chapter, first book, 70th verse, Bhartrihari is saying, how many such Arya, such noble people exist, whose minds, words and actions are suffused with the amrita of good deeds, who please the three worlds with their benevolent acts, and who acknowledge and magnify even a small a scintilla, a jot, a whit, a speck of good behavior in others. Paraguna paramanuna parvati krityam nityam. If they see even one good quality in a person who otherwise 100 bad qualities, has 100 bad qualities, they see that as the saving grace, the redeeming feature. And they exaggerate it. And that is how they bring about a positive change in the other person. In management, it is called the Pygmalion effect. Pygmalion, as the legend goes, was a great sculptor in ancient Greece. He sculpted a statue, fell in love, and he was pining in love. So the gods took pity on him and infused life into the statue. He married and lived happily ever after. So in management too, the principle is, if you can praise, fault finders are everywhere. We are all very good at finding fault. From morning till night, we are busy finding faults in everything. Stop doing that. No negative thoughts at all. Always praise.